exercise we're going to be doing is an alternating clean. If you're wearing a watch, take it off because you're going to break it. I'm just telling you. I took mine off. Let me show you from the front. That way you get a good angle of this, and I'll show you from the side. So when you bring the weight up, my back is again, I'm trying to close that car door. I'm going to bring this kettlebell up close to my body, and I'm going to bring it down. So it runs really close to the body. My grip, I have a pretty good, I don't have a strong grip on it. I just it's kind of soft here, but I'm not going to let this go back this way. I want to keep like a strong fist grip on this, okay? So this sits right here, and it sits right here, kind of just sits there. Let me show you from the side. Side angle. Bring it up, back down, flat back. I want you to imagine like you're zipping up your jacket. If you had a coat on, you're zipping it, and the bell just follows, it just rotates over. So here, zip, follow. Zip, bring it up, back down. If you struggle with having the kettlebell on your wrist, I have small, skinny wrists, but it's taken me some time. I've been using the kettlebell a long time, but it did. At first, it took me a little bit of time. I put some bands, or like some sweat bands, some wrist bands on around my small, tiny wrists, and it really helped. But as you get stronger, your forearms will get stronger, your grip will get stronger as you're using the